Hi, this is Dr. Chris Cox with Lifeline Wellness Center. Today I'd like to highlight an article that was published in the Journal of Vertebral Subluxation Research, and the title of the article is Health Benefits of Chiropractic Adjustments Affect Entire Body. Really cool article relative to looking at how adjustments actually work within your body. Make sure that you go below the video and actually click on this link to get this article. Really amazing information. This information, how we work with it in the office, is a very fundamental understanding of how chiropractic actually works. Chiropractic is actually not focused on healing low back pain or healing neck pain or healing the gut or migraines or ruptured discs. Chiropractic actually starts with a fundamental understanding that your body's designed to be healthy, and that ability to heal and regulate is dependent upon your nervous system actually working effectively and efficiently. So very simple, if your nerve system isn't working very well, your whole body's going to suffer the result of that. And likewise, if we can improve how the nervous system coordinates and controls what goes on in your body, the likely transition is that you're going to feel and heal better. So does this impact lots of different things? You can bet on it. One of the first things that we start to see people do, even after their first adjustment, is say they just feel lighter, not as stressed or so much tension, along with many other things. So if this is something you're looking for, if you're looking for a whole person or a whole body approach that's not so focused on, here, take this for that, chiropractic might just be right for you. You can get a hold of us by going to our website and entering your name and email address. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can even like us on our Facebook page, or you can just very simply give us a phone call at 520-731-9595. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.